It's my pleasure to be here today. Thank you so much, Minister. At the Ministry of Local Government to continue our partnership with the Ministry and the Government of Fiji in our joint efforts to improve the lives of women. Up to 90% of market vendors in the Pacific are women, and their earnings often make up a significant portion of the incomes of many households in Pacific nations. Markets for Change aims to ensure that marketplaces in rural and urban areas in Fiji, the Solomon Islands and Vanuatu are safe, inclusive and non-discriminatory, promoting gender equality and women's empowerment. Through Markets for Change, UN Women is co-funding market infrastructure projects in 2 councils. That's what we're here to talk about today, Nasouri and Namaka in Nandi. The total amount of funds provided for the 2 projects by UN Women is 1,002,000 Fijian dollars. That's a lot of money. We're very proud to be here to hand this over today. The Nasouri Market Project will see the construction of a new accommodation and resource centre for women market vendors. Very soon, women vendors will be able to enjoy accessible and secure facilities in a new 2-storey accommodation and resource centre. On the ground floor, a resource centre will house trainings and meetings for market vendors, and on the top floor, an accommodation centre will offer a safe place to sleep for female market vendors, many of whom are rural women. The new Namaka market will also receive an accommodation centre thanks to the Markets for Change project funding. Both marketplaces, this is really important, will have disability access and disability-friendly facilities, including in the accommodation centres. It really encourages me to see that women market vendors are participating in the planning and design process of the markets together with the Ministry of Local Government and the councils. This inclusive approach will result in improved market facilities for everybody, ensuring that women market vendors have access to improved working conditions. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the Australian Government for their generous funding support to this project, to UN Women's Markets for Change project, and especially for this additional funding towards this project, which has allowed us to work together to assist in the reconstruction and building of the new markets after the devastating effects of Tropical Cyclone Winston. Thank you so much. For us at UN Women, getting women and their families back on their feet after a disaster and working to ensure that women have the opportunity to improve their lives and advance economically is foundational to all of our work. We can never achieve gender equality if we don't have women able to support themselves and their households and their communities and to contribute equally. And rural accommodation centres are central to this, as they will provide accessible and safe accommodation. So I would like to again take the opportunity to thank the Honourable Minister and his team and the Australian Government, and to thank the Minister for his continued efforts and support for the Markets for Change project and his commitment to partnering with UN Women to improve the lives of women market vendors in Fiji. Thank you, Minister.
In fact, this week has been a very lucky week for ministry as a whole. Just the day before yesterday, we had a presentation by the Japanese government, donation of a compactor truck. And today we are here to receive the funding for our 2 municipal markets, as mentioned earlier on. In fact, the reason why we are here and what is to be said has been basically said, and I do not wish to repeat, but on behalf of the government and on behalf of my municipal council, I would like to sincerely thank the Australian government and UN Women for their continuous support to the municipal councils throughout the country. It's not only 2 councils that we are talking about. In fact, they have partnered with us basically with all the municipal market. The reason for the delay for the proposed Nasuri accommodation center was purely based because of the land issue. In fact, we made this announcement earlier on for the proposed accommodation center for our women in Nasuri. Unfortunately, we had the issue of the location, and now we have come up with the concrete plan, and as mentioned, that we are working together, the ministry and UN Women, with their engineers and with our team here to see what is the best that we can achieve. And I'm happy that we have gone through this process, and very soon we will have a groundbreaking ceremony for the new proposed accommodation center for the women of Nasuri. As for Namaka market, as mentioned earlier on, there was a need for the expansion. In fact, not only Namaka, but all municipal councils, we have this issue right now. Even Nasuri now, we have been talking about accommodation center, but Nasuri itself, when it was built, there were surplus stalls. But today, if you go, you can't even find a single space. So there is a demand which we have to attend to. We're not going to run away from that. We're going to attend all those issues. And with this, once again, thank you so much for this partnership. The funding that we have received here today for Namaka, the total cost is shared by the government of Fiji and UN Women. For Nasuri Accommodation Center, whatever the balance that we need to pay, apart from the donation that we have received today, will be borne by the government and municipal councils. So with these few words, once again, thank you so much. And Naka.